You are welcome to another informative edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you developments in the market. This edition captures the market performance for Wednesday, July 24th, 2019. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the All-Share Index closed at 28,088.74 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.689 trillion naira, meaning it depreciated by minus 0.20%. Equity markets maintained downtrend as NSE-ASI recorded 0.20% loss amid decreased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed negative. We expect the bearish performance to continue this week as sell pressures dominate activities. Performance across sectors was mixed as 3 of 6 indices under our coverage recorded gains. The oil and gas index led the gainers, reversing yesterday's loss with a gain of 4.5% on the back of price appreciation in Seplat at plus 9.4. Japan Oil, Buck Gas and CI Leasing were top gainers, while Unity, Prestige and Sovereigns were among the top losers. Guarantee Trust Bank, UBA Bank and Zenith Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 32.39 trillion naira, while the NAFEX rate closed at 361 naira 51 kobo to a dollar. The I&E FX rate opened at 361 naira 38 kobo to a dollar and closed at 361 naira 75 kobo to a dollar. Looking at the NASD OTC markets, the unlisted share index closed at 724.72 basis points, with a market capitalization of 520.67 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 120,663 and the value traded 6.438 million naira in 9 deals executed. You can also check the Nigerian economic indices on the dashboard displaying on the screen. Major highlights for the day. From yesterday's highlights, the screening of the 43 ministerial nominees sent to the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria commenced at the Red Chambers in Abuja. It was presided over by the Senate President, Senator Ahmed Lawan. President Muhammadu Buhari presided over a policy dialogue session which had in attendance the Vice President, state governors and industrialists, businessmen like Alhaji Aliko Dangote and Mr. Jim Ovia. The new GMD and CEO of Zenith Bank PLC, Mr. Ebenezer Onyagu, with his management team, visited the Nigerian Stock Exchange to familiarize with the leadership and dealing members. At the floor of the exchange, Mr. Onyagu committed to leading the bank to greater heights at the continental and global level. On our watch list, the screening of the ministerial nominees from President Muhammadu Buhari will continue today at the Senate as the nation awaits the final composition of the cabinet. As the new British Prime Minister, Mr. Boris Johnson, resumes office today, some of the major trading partners like Nigeria will be watching to see how the Brexit deal is managed. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit our website www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow our social media platforms showing on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a lovely day.